Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. This one we can do about factorization, but we also know that this is about identity. So I will put into s plus 1 to the power of 2. Next, we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to s plus 1. We have s, so I will put number 1 go to the left, and you got about u minus 1 equals to s. Later that we do first the derivative for the both sides, and you got about the u equals to the s. This one we change by u. S we change by u minus 1. The s we change by the u. And now we need to expand this one, and you got about u squared minus 2u plus 1. Next, u squared divided by u squared, u divided by u squared, 1 divided by u squared, and you got about 1 minus 2 over u plus 1 over u squared. The integration of number 1, you got about u. The integration of 2 over u, you got negative number 2 ln of the absolute value of u. And the last one, that is about negative 1 over u, and we put about c. About u, that is about s plus 1. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.